My name is Shamir Shah. I'm a landscape photographer, passionate adventurer, mountain biker, and a devoted conservationist. A few years ago, my freedom and independence was nearly taken away from doing what I love by becoming a carer for my special needs son. Since then, I've doubled the stakes of my mission to make nature and the outdoors an inseparable and fundamental part of every family. This has now become my project. Good morning and welcome to this week's episode of the Shamir Shah Project. Today I'm here with my gravel bike, just trying to sort out the brakes, the rim brakes. And I just wanted to show you the new tires I've recently put on. They're absolutely amazing tires and they're a well-known brand as well, but I've never had them on this bike or any of my other bikes to even try. So these are the tires, the Vittoria Terreno mix tubeless ready, and they're 700 by 33. Very grippy, beautiful tires. I've got them tubeless ready, so no tubes in there. And on the back is this same Vittoria Terreno mix tubeless ready, 2.0s 700 by 33. Beautiful. I've taken them for a ride on road and flat gravel and it's been very good. The tires are very sticky on road and they're almost like suckers and they slow you down pretty much. That wasn't my first ride. On the second ride, I guess the tires have embedded properly and are a little bit more used to the wheels and my riding style, and they were faster. Could just be a coincidence because they were new tires. I felt they were like suckers on roads. I have taken them on flat gravel and they were superb. I haven't tried them on more pebbly, rocky terrain, which I look forward to doing in the near future. But the main reason that I have the bike on the stand right now is because of the rim brakes. The front and the back, they're not as sharp as they should be. They're not rubbing, but if I try and tighten them and adjust them to the correct distance from the rims, they become quite loose. So when I press the levers, they go in quite far, as you can see right there and right there. Goes in all the way before it actually catches properly. The back ones are a little bit better, but they still need adjusting, so I'm going to adjust them and then test them out and see how well they work, because you know, not very sharp brakes make for a dangerous ride. I'll start with the front ones, I think, because they're the ones which are a little bit more problematic. And so if I can get them right, then the back ones are pretty good, but I'm still going to adjust them. That seems good. There's no rubbing noise between the pads and the rims, and as you can see, the wheel is turning very smoothly. It's not coming to a sudden halt, or it's not slowing down, which is good. So it's free flowing because the pads is at a nice distance from the rim. That's good. That works for me. And in terms of the lever, it catches right there, which is maximum catch at about 60% pulled. So if I spin the wheel, so that works for me. That's good. So that's pretty much what the rear brake is at. That makes it safe to ride now. The back ones are very sharp, working well. I'm happy about them. The front ones are very sharp as well now. Sharp enough. And sharp enough to be safe on the road. I actually bought the specialized gravel bike that you see me working on from a friend of mine. He was buying a new titanium gravel bike and wanted to pass it on to a nice home, a new home, but somebody who rides and would cherish the bike. Funny enough, I was in the market for a gravel bike. This was just before lockdown. So in March 2020, and he says, "Oh, I've got one." Funny enough, because I'm selling mine, and you know, I want to pass it on to a good home, somebody who's going to use it and not just take bits apart and sell it on eBay. And I said, "Cool, send me some photos. Let me take a look." And I fell in love with it instantly. Another friend of mine had the same bike and I'd ridden his, but his was size 56. In medium, and this is 54 in medium, which was the perfect size for me. And since March 2020, I've been working on it, I've been riding it, I've been bike packing on it, I've been road riding on it, and I've been upgrading it with various bits, and it's come a long way now. It's like a new bike, it feels like a new bike. So what I've done to it is I've put in new cables for the brakes. I have changed the chain. I've got a new chain. I have put on the new crankset Shimano. I have recently, as far as tires and wheels go, very recently, last Sunday, I put on the new Vittoria Terreno mix gravel tires and converted them to tubeless. So yeah, I'm used to tubeless riding, so that's good. I'll put on new bottle cages, ultralight bottle cages. What else have I done? I have new pedals, matching pedals to my bar tape, orange. I like orange. New chain, I've mentioned that. I think that's about it. So quite a few upgrades to the bike. I absolutely love it. The wheels are really light, the no tube stands wheels, and the tires are just phenomenal. Actually, I'm really starting to like them a lot, because as I mentioned, they were almost like suckers on road, and they were slowing me down because of so much grip. I've taken it out for a few times for a ride within the last week, and it's a lot better, and it's quite fast. I can't wait to test it out on proper gravel. I know it's not my usual videos that I create, but had to fix the bike, had to do it, because I love riding and I like fixing bikes and I like bikes. Anyway, that's the end of the episode. I've tested the bike out. The front brake and the rear brake is sharp, good to go. I'm happy to ride on the road, happy to ride downhill, happy to hit some gravel trails soon. And if you have seen my other videos on my channel and you enjoy my videos, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet. It greatly helps my channel and supports it so that I can grow it. Anyway, have a great weekend. Hope you've had a great week, and I will see you out and about.